big debate goes on all the time. Is it better to have tracks for reconnaissance? They're noisy, you can hear them coming, but they can get to places traditionally that wheels can't. Wheel technology in World War II, British Army, 1960s, the two things together.
Depends on the terrain, depends on the circumstances. I mean, if you are in, say, the European theatre operating,
and they're quite complex, so they need a certain variety of tools, and we've been able to donate that to them.
And that variety of tools, any of the eagle-eyed viewers of our workshop channel will have maybe seen some of them. Tell us about some of those tools that have been given to the team.
Yeah, so we supply lots of tools, so things from software.
We have AI in the vehicle, so the commander's station is supported with automatic tracking and monitoring targets. We have an active detection system, which is capable of defeating incoming missiles and automatically detecting them. We have a laser warning system, which will tune the commander to laser threats, and remains at the heart of the British Army's 20-40-40 battlefield design.
Now, we've dealt with lethality, we have dealt with protection. I suppose we find that the last bit of the iron triangle, mobility. How is Challenger 3